I just finished frosting this cake. It is chiffon cake. It is pandan flavored, frosted with whipped cream. It's stabilized by, guess what? It's my proven recipe for cakes. I don't have a formal baking training, but I found a proven recipe for frosting and filling. Guaranteed stable. So with me, I'll show you my proven recipe, as well as the tips on how to make it stable. Hello, thank you for joining me here tonight. I just baked a pandan cake. It's a chiffon cake. I just want to share to you my proven recipe for frosting or for filling, using possibly the easiest recipe. It is whipped cream. It's obviously much easier to prepare than buttercream. But the challenge is keeping it up. Keeping a structure. There should be a stabilizer. We need to keep the form or the shape of the frosting. And this is what I've been using. Mascarpone cheese. Why mascarpone? It has the same flavor as this. You will not know this. And it goes very well with pandan or ubi cakes. It has this hint of coconut. I don't know, perhaps it's in my head, but to me it goes well with the flavors that go well with coconut. Another option is to add a stabilizer, a chemical stabilizer. In this part of the world, it comes in this brand, Mix. If you're curious, I can share to you the generic name, and you can search for it in your area. I think we'll start. I forgot to mention that it should be at least 35% fat. You need fat to whip it. And it should be cold, it should be chilled. If you are in a tropical country and if you're not sure if it's cold enough, chill your container as well. Even the whiskers, if you're not sure, chill the whiskers as well. I have to stop it to say something. It also helps to begin at a lower speed. Easy build, easy deflate. That's the rule, so begin slowly. Let's resume. Around 2 to 3. You have to closely watch it. Once you see ripples, it's time to add the stabilizer. I just added the mascarpone, but I think the camera missed it. This illustrates already here the empty container. Chiffon pandan cake with whipped cream filling. Make one today. The ingredients in the description box.